I thought today I'd do an interesting video. I've got some models that I built. I'll show you anyway. If it's train set special, I'm not saying can't come for that. But I thought I'll, where summer's coming to an end, make some interesting videos, locations. So today I've decided to go treasure hunting. Yes, you heard that right. And I'm going to go another location, treasure hunting, another location, another location. See if we can find. I know the locations, you don't. But yeah, we're going to an mountain today and explore the river. Where it's been raining, so it should be dried up, so it shouldn't be so bad. But we'll see. We might find some buried treasure. We're all prepared for that. What bag? Should be have a bag somewhere. Yeah. What bag to put stuff if I find stuff. So what kind of treasure we find. When I'm in London we'll find interesting stuff. No, I'm not going there today. We'll spot somewhere different for a change. And then another location is to find some gems and that. Yeah. Let's get this journey started today. We're starting on a train. In a depot there. We're starting on the central line and we'll interchange that we did last time. I'll show you in a minute. And we're starting here. Let's zoom into the map. Can we focus it? We'll get there somewhere up here. To get to our destinations this way, we can go another way. But this is a mystery destination. It's a different path we don't normally take. So where it leads to. This is forest at the bottom, but we'll normally go the other side. I thought somewhere different for a change. I was told this is an awesome way to do it. This is the best way to do it. So let's do this. When I said take this way, one of my friends said take this way, it's an awesome area. Got that right. It's like a little alleyway up there. I'll keep the camera rolling because you never know what you find. This is awesome. This is quite mysterious. Let's cut across here. It's got a special footpath to take as well. What's it say? Public footpath. Also, something else. Trying to think. I've got some pink lemonade donuts. Yeah, you heard me right. Pink lemonade donuts. Never tried them. Don't you? Oh, I like this route. It is steep. You feel like you're falling back. Oh, look at the view going back. You can see the street down there. I like it's mysterious. Mysterious. I like it. Oh, getting touched by flies. There's a garden right there. How random. How about it's having a garden on a slope? So nice, really steep. I've actually designed a garden so it's actually level. Nature's taken over here. This is really steep. This thing's interesting, mate, isn't it? And you've got an old street lamp just there. Old gas street lamp. The forest is just here, by the way. I'll go straight to it. Well, it's quite steep in here. The lake is situated over there somewhere. You can easily get lost in there. And look, I just came from there. This bit here. This alleyway here. So if I go that way, I'm going this way because the lake is towards this way. I'm in the forest, mate. I'm in the forest. But I need to get to the lake area. There's nice and cool in there. Look at it. I can't venture through these parts, but I'm sticking to these parts. Apparently treasure, where we had a lot of royalty and a lot of hunting and stuff, things are falling in the lake apparently. It's a matter of finding stuff. I've seen something in the tree that doesn't stand out. That blue, green, the green's unusual. Oh, someone puts a bunch of flake flowers in there. Don't forget a lot of rituals happened here as well. They still happen to this day, by the way. We're going where we usually go. Remember, I've got one way this way back as well. Don't have to do this way back. Okay, we're going to cut across this area here over to that forest, and then we're going to go into the lake area and do some treasure hunting. I wonder if I can go this side and go all the way through. A mysterious entrance actually. Because the lake's just there. Because I can either go the opposite side of that. So the lake's here. All here, the lake. And comes into the forest. I've never actually been this way. Might have to turn back. Let's see where it leads to anyway. Where it's been raining, it's got the eerie. Oh, it's really tall. Makes you feel small. It's got the eerie feeling to it. Reminds me of Jurassic Park. Oh yeah, I can see a lake on the other side. If I can get to that, I've got to divert left somehow. Somewhere. Well, I can do it here. I'm looking where to go. The lake's just there. I'll have to be where the lake is apparently. I'm wearing shorts today, it's not very good, is it? I sure I've got pricklies apart. Just got to watch myself. Whoop. Yeah, where summer's arrived. It's all overgrown now. There's part of it, I might find some treasure in here. But it's muddy, I've got to take a chance, I can't see nothing. Should have bought some special shoes. I wonder if I can get to the other side. There's a lake on the other side. So a lake splits here, another one there. Well, it's overgrown, it makes it more mysterious. Because when I come last time, it was winter, it's all open up. Here's a lake. Here's the bridge we crossed last time. Let's get down to the lake, because we can get down to the bedding of the lake now. Where it's dry. As you can see, is it quite muddy? It's softish. I wonder what treasure we can find in here, because I can't see anything special. Oh, right, lakes here. It's dried up somewhat. Let's get down here. See, it's dried up here. It used to be. See where it flowed last time, and I showed you last time one of my videos. All the water was flowing over. This is it where it's all dried out. So you can see what's inside it. It's the River Brook, by the way, if you wonder what river it is. There's sometimes you find some buried treasure, apart from people's rubbish. But yeah. Let's get down into the bed of the river and have a look what they got. See, we're now on the river, just to show you what it's like. There would have been water flowing through here. Actually, this is the direction that we're going to be coming from, this direction. The flow comes down this way. So coming towards me. You'll see the river flow. But it's all dried out at the moment. I might go away, it's easier to climb in actually and climb out. There's a bit of a steep one that was. It's easy to climb out this one. I was going to walk through the whole river, but you can't. Really. I want to do it while it's dry, because you can't do it while it's water flowing. Oops, bumped into a tree there. Yeah, see, it's all dried out. All along here. Didn't go through there, it's a bit muddy. I thought I'd show you something different for a change. You don't often see this, you see it while it's dry. See, I can't do certain bits, see? It's the water's still trapped. But I can go further up there though. Found nothing special yet. But I'm sure I'll find something. I'm just going to walk this bit. If I can get down there. That's a jump, isn't it? Get down there, walk through there, go through there. Around this bit. And walk up this bit. And let's do this. Let's see in a minute. Oh, the camera was rolling, you didn't realise. You must have seen where I went. I thought I'd see that mistake. Oh, we're here now anyway. Part of the river, it's usually deep, covered, filled. No treasure found at the moment. She's not looking properly, am I really? Oh, slug randomly right there, look at that. Didn't see that. Interesting. Found nothing special yet. Gonna work my way through this bit. Plan was to walk the river. Walk in the river. But no, I can't. Just let. I don't want to chance it jumping it a few times where it's wet. I don't want to slip, hurt myself, fall back onto a twig and hurt myself. There's a wider berth at the top and I'm going to go to that. Oh, bit of nature in there. This is a nice little spot. I'm going to cut the camera now when I go across the bridge. I thought this was going to be nice to walk under the bridge, right? But apparently you can't because it's all flooded here. But I can go down here as far as I can. So how bad the mud is. And I can't go under it. It would have been fun though, wouldn't it? Imagine that. There's a lake further up, it widens up massively. Wait, the lake's going that way, round. Noisy helicopter. See the lake's here, it curves right the way around, comes here, joins up here, comes right round again. And then curves, and up the further top it's widened out massively. I just hope that's all dry. I know we had rain last night, so it might have filled up. Oh, watch out for tree stumps. No buried treasure in here at the moment. But yeah, but berth widens up just over there. It's a bit of a steep one to go down though. I like people made a random path just there. The river brook is widened up. It's still muddy. You can't. I see where people have laid logs. You get people who do that. Grass is randomly grown there. I've laid logs across that. But I can get across. I can. But the river's over there. I'm going to get down here. That is a fair jump. Should we do it, guys? Right. Do it with the camera rolling. Right. 3, 2, 1. We actually done it. We jumped that high bridge. One side, on the other side of River Brook. I know it continues from here. Not going too far. River comes down, it's dry, it's wet. It's still wet. Do you know why it disappears here? It disappears here. It only goes underneath here. Oh. It should be very damp under here anyway. And it goes down there. So it ain't gone too far. But we can follow it around. I like how the trees got the moss on there. Don't stay here too long. Got the trees and the moss. Got bitten last time. Look what the bites I got. Look, got a swollen arm. See it? It's the risks you take for the forest. Right. Just checking the lake. Just checking the river out. I know it goes quite a way. It cuts out into the forest. It's fascinating, naturally just curved, cut, you know. Goes out that way, comes back, comes right back into here. This is the bit I want. I was told to come to. A lot of treasures usually buried around here. Isn't that a nice river? It's a bit sewagey smell. Treasure hunting. I found no treasure. I don't fancy taking something out of a murky river. No something found. Any special tools to hunt. There's actually fish in there. Little tiny fish. No treasure. I know there's treasure on the Thames, there's plenty of that. But here on the... nothing. It's usually when it rains, it's the best time to come. Oh. I should have put it as a natural barrier. Nothing to see but stones. And we've got a man-made bridge here. See it? You can go under that. But it'll be a bit muddy. Bit air. Let's go to the other side of the river, like we normally do. We normally go on the other side. And look the whole of the River Brook, but it's too far out. I'm not going too far out today, guys. Kind of a short video today. Long video to you, but short video for me. Nothing to see here today for treasure hunting. Maybe I'll pick up something. I'll do it on the way back. Have a look for some just random stones, have a look what they are, have a look them up. Yeah, I thought I'd show you down the last bit. I say that, I'm going further and further, aren't I? This I do. Tempting to go all the way down now. Why it's called Enchanted Forest, to keep going further and further. Look how nice it is. Look. Got a nice river here. Just imagine the water flowing. How beautiful scenery it is. When we have heavy rain, we get that. It will happen. That's a magical time to be here actually. Heavy rain. Never been in the forest when it rains. See you in a bit, guys, then. See you, friend. One benefit of coming to the forest, and it's this, the quietness. Apart from a few humans in the background. I'll let you enjoy this moment, guys. Apart from the random people's voices and my footsteps. Tell you what, make a separate video of the stillness, just nature, just film it, just forest, just film it, one video, long video of nature. Exploring the lake, and I said until next time, it's just sort of a bonus video. I was just having a few quiet moments when nature actually, there's a nature video I put up as well after these videos. But I just want to show you this. I thought this was pretty impressive. I saw this in the distance. I don't know where the lake is. The lake's down there. I saw a nice view. And what's this? No, it just feels daunting. It's just random. It's very steep. I've never been this way before. This is new. It's how the trees are positioned. But I'm all in, look. One just here, look, one branch going there, another branch going there, another branch there, no one there. This is interesting. A tree with a hole in it. Look. But they've all got numbers on though, so they're all remembered and logged in. So the people that look after the forest normally logged each tree, so I know what tree's what. It's very steep. It feels like I'm falling backwards. It's very high, steep uphill. Nice here, isn't it? Wow, if I took my hat off, I appreciate that. The view. But here and here. Gosh. You can see where the forest falls down. That really get lost in here. The view, it's just nice. Hi guys, put in the comments what you think of this part. Should we explore this next? I know I don't think how to get to this. We'll explore the whole area. Put in the comments if you want me to explore a bit more further up this way. I won't do it today though, but if you want me to do it, let me know. Only your comments will decide if you want me to do that. See you on the next video.